a minute. All right, Paul, turn that fucking radio off. What's going on?
Got a brand new motor here.
What's going on over here? UMC today. UMC.
Getting this.
UMC. Does that make sense? UMC?
No.
Ultimate Man Cave.
Oh, okay.
Son of a bitch. What you got, dude?
I got a 3126 cat motor. All right.
What happened?
Did a valve job on it.
Right.
All right. Put new valve guides in. Did the.
Hold on. Are you talking about this engine right here?
This engine right here.
So, you just bought this wrecker truck and you said you had to rebuild the motor?
No.
What the hell, dude?
Pulled the head off of it. Did a valve job. Did
Wow.
valve guides.
Now, was that a big job rebuilding the head on that?
Yes, it was.
You were talking
And
about.
I ground the valves myself.
You were talking about some special way you got to torque those down. What is that, dude?
All right, on this one here, you have to torque the head down to 210 pounds.
210 pounds.
And then you back it off.
And
then you torque it to 97 pounds. And then you torque it to 137 pounds. And then you turn it 90 degrees.
And I don't know what the hell that is. You got me confused, dude.
Wow.
Wow.
I've never had a head bolt that torqued like that before.
Okay, whoa. Who's this guy? What's going on? Who's this guy? Okay, I heard a mouse talking in the car. Who is? Come on over here, buddy. What's your name? Come on over here, guy.
I'm camera shy.
Come on over here. Come on, all the way around, bud. All right, who is this, Bob? Who we talking to today?
This is Randy.
Randy,
another hot rod guy.
Yeah, shake a hand, make a friend, Randy.
I'm Randy Williams.
Randy Williams. What's going on, Randy? Did you want to really tell everybody your last name? You might have a warrant for your arrest or something. Okay. Don't touch my camera. They don't have your fingerprints. Okay, buddy?
Can I sign my signature up there?
What's Randy over here for now? Is this
I'm on a test
neighbor or
drive.
what?
Well, it's part of the Hot Rod Club. Wheels West Car Club.
The Wheel Wells Car Club.
Wheels West.
Wheels West. Now what's that, Randy?
Heck, I don't know.
Wheels West Car Club.
It's a
A
car
bunch
club.
of old guys with cars.
Okay. We're over here at the UMC. You know what the UMC is?
Something ultimate.
Ultimate Man Cave.
The Ultimate Man Cave, because Bob's actually known worldwide as the Ultimate Man Cave down here.
Yeah, we're up to what, 70,000?
A lot.
70,000.
Well, how many videos? We got like 4 or 5 videos, and you just happen to be in one, Randy. What's your angle, guy? What are you doing here, dude? Why are you
Visiting
here?
my friend Bob.
Yeah, but you came over to help Bob with a little project, and you also brought one with you.
Yeah, I went for a test drive in a 31 Plymouth.
31 Plymouth. I saw that as we walked in. What's so special about that car?
It's an old school hot rod that we upgraded with a 5.7 Mopar Hemi instead of a Chevy, so no longer is it a cross.
So it's a Hemi-driven Plymouth Mopar product.
All Mopar.
Yeah, there you go. We were talking about this wrecker truck. What are you thinking about that, Randy?
My rescue
Big wrecker
vehicle.
truck. Oh, that's why he's here. He's sucking ass. When he breaks down that Plymouth, he wants you to come get him for free.
At 2 o'clock in the morning.
Do you know how much these record fucking drivers charge these fucking days, dude?
No, I think it's a cup of
fucking
coffee and a
ridiculous.
free lunch.
Yeah.
There you go.
Now let me ask you this, Bob. What's going on with this wrecker? Now you picked this wrecker up for how much, dude?
A song.
You got it really, really cheap, and then you got it back over here, rebuilt the engine, so you got like pennies on the dollars in this thing. And look at it, dude. It's awesome. It's a Super Duty 650F 650. How long has that been, Bob?
20 feet.
20 fucking feet, dude. All the hydraulics, everything works on this thing.
Yep.
And you said you're gonna go ahead and keep this and get rid of your big trailer.
I am.
And we're getting ready to load up that old 52 Ford
We are.
to test drive this bitch out, Randy. You kind of interrupted us on that.
I'm sorry.
Showing
I just going for a test drive.
I think Randy ought to show us that Plymouth and give us a walk around.
I think that's worth seeing.
All right, let's go look her over, Bob. Okay, Randy, what's going on with this old battle axe, dude? It looks like a rough build. It looks like it's about a 30-year-old build. What's going on, guy?
Yeah, it had a Chevrolet with a power glide in it. And now it's
So it's your typical hot rod.
correct.
And it had a 2-speed power glide?
Yeah.
Wow. Cast iron.
And it was all chromed underneath with a Jag front and rear end.
Now, hold on. Let's talk about, you were talking about that Jag front end when you got here. What's going on with that? You said it's really, really squirrely and it's not really the...
It's really soft.
Yeah, it's not really the most reliable front suspension out there, right?
Torsion bars,
Huh.
kind of difficult.
Yeah. So would you say this is like a 30-year-old build just by looking at it? Possibly 70s? 80s?
I would agree with that. Yes.
Yeah. What did you do to it, guy?
I installed the new 5.7 Hemi.
Huh. You want to open that up so we can look at that, Randy? If you don't really mind, I mean... So when you say new, is that like a brand new crate? Wow, look at that
Brand
thing,
new
Bob.
engine from,
Look at this thing. That's just like the engine in a Chevy truck, am I correct?
no, just like what would come in your 5.7 Hemi
Pickup truck. I mean, now what transmission are we running there?
5-speed
Huh.
out of a 2008 two-wheel drive pickup.
Now, did you have to do any modifications to put the transmission into the
Had
vehicle?
to make engine mounts and cross member,
Yeah.
dry shaft.
What about the doghouse? Did you have to widen that out?
I had to make a different tunnel and I need to do a new carpet in it. I had to rewire the car.
Wow. So what do you think of Bob's man cave here, guys? Do you have the ultimate man cave or what?
Wonderful place.
Yeah. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, this.
Especially
that
for like
color
meeting a
is
guy like
great.
Bob, shaking the hand of making a friend and saying, you got a record truck and I'm your friend now and I need a tow.
I need storage.
You need store. Oh, that's what he's here for. Oh, he wants to use your other side of the shop.
He's gonna use the other side.
Oh,
now.
okay.
He's got a Camaro that he picked
Right.
up.
What are you actually over here for? You helping Bob with? You were over here doing something.
Oh, we were rewiring his.
And why does it
34.
make you the specialist to come over here and help him?
Just friend, kind friend.
Uh-huh.
I've
That
done
needs a storage space.
Yeah, needs a little free storage space.
Yeah. Bob said you're working on a 57 Chevy or something, or
61.
and you need a storage space to work on the frame or some shit like that. What's going on?
I have a 1968 Camaro
Huh.
that I
A 68 that you're restoring for somebody or helping them out?
for
or-
myself.
Now, are you a helper guy? Do you like to help people? I mean, I know you get paid, but
I'm a
are
God-loving
you more of a
guy.
barter? Are you more of a barter guy?
No, I don't normally help people for free. It's
Yeah.
kind of a business for me. But Bob's a good guy, and we spend time together. And
Everybody says that about Bob, dude. That he's
Look
this
at that
good
smile.
guy. I mean, what the?
Well, I got space and everything
You
in
got
the
a
garage.
man
It's
cave here, too.
The ultimate man cave too. That he's going to end up tearing that Camaro apart. and
Exactly.
redo the suspension.
Wintertime's coming on. You need somewhere to go to.
you got to hang out. Don't
Yeah.
go to the bars.
And then I got motorcycle storage up there. I'm going to store his motorcycle.
Son of a bitch, Randy. Yeah,
and then he's going to adopt me
Wow.
And there you
when he
go.
gets the pond going.
God. Let's go look at that street beast car, Bob.
There you go.
Let's see what
Look at
Randy's doing to that.
it. All right.
Randy the hot rod guy. You got a nickname, Randy, in your car club? What is it?
Randy.
Just Randy. That's a good nickname. I like that. But I like that. Now, you were talking about your car club. Are you like the hot rod guy,
I am the rookie.
go-to guy, or?
I'm the rookie in the club. There's a guy named Bernie that's been around forever.
I think we're going to go over there and shake hands today.
If he's there, was he in the shop this morning?
He's an 85-year-old guy that's got more energy than most teenagers.
Son of a bitch. Let's look at this street beast. What's going on, Randy? What did you do, bud? What happened?
When we first got here, we noticed that some of the wiring
Wow.
was a little
Can I say
messed up.
wow? That is a fucking nightmare. I'm sorry I interrupted you. Go ahead, bud.
Well, that's a lot better than what it was.
Uh-huh.
when we
So
started.
what happened?
Well, we just figured out where somebody left off and we cleaned it up. And we, at this point, have 80% of it functioning.
Right.
Soon to have 100%. We're gonna, with Bob's guidance, we're gonna make a console, refit the doors.
So are you going to help him refit them doors? You're going to be here to...
Well, if he needs
So I kind of give
my
you a
help,
little guidance on that, Randy.
I feel that Bob's more than capable of doing the doors without me. But if he needs my help, I'll be here.
You're going to be here. Because guess what? We got a room back there that has your name on it, buddy. Am I right, Bob?
That's right.
See what I'm saying?
Yeah,
man?
he was working on the wiring. I was back there cleaning up the spot for him.
There you go. An 8x10 spot just for you. So you got the digital gauges in there. You got the digital shifter. We got a clock. You got the aluminum panels on the dash. You got all your digital stuff down there. I wouldn't have done that personally. I would have put those up inside on the cowling. I would have glued all that shit in there. You got this thing going right here. I would have eliminated that. I would have took them switches out, ripped them out. I would have only had minimal wires going in that thing. And I would have taken this thing right here and mounted it right there on the center console once the center console is in. What that's going to do is going to eliminate all this wiring. I don't know what the fuck's going on with this ignition switch. If you look real close at that thing, you can see it's got multiple wires on it. That should only have 4 wires on it maximum. That's telling me that the wire harness you got is probably not a 21 circuit wire harness, and you got a lot of shit going on with that key right there, which might actually cause problems down the road, especially from vibration. All those things got the female ends on them, and those possibly might come off. That should be screwed on instead of put on that way.
That being said, we just worked with what we had at the time.
It works.
Okay,
It works.
we're gonna make your dash where it comes out, right? Because
Yeah.
you're gonna need it.
Yeah.
You're gonna need it.
So you're sitting here
You're gonna need it.
critiquing our work, right?
I am telling you,
Yeah.
from Billy.
Are you the critiquer?
Yes,
of
I'm telling you this for future reference because I built over 475 of these. That having that right there is dangerous. You're going to mount that thing in the dash. One of those wires is going to vibrate off of there, and what's going to happen is you're going to go, "Where's the short? I don't understand. This ain't working now." Remember that, Randy. Ignition switch. When something fucks up, go straight to that.
Yeah.
Other than that, I can say you guys are doing a great fucking job here,
Oh,
guys.
thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Great job. Now, let me ask you this, Randy. Did you wire this motor up or did?
No, that was already done.
Okay, so we got the fuel injection. Is that right, Bob?
That's right.
Now, have you ever used the fuel injection system, these aftermarket fuel injection systems, Randy?
I'm not a big fan of it.
I'm not a big fan of them either, but it seems like Bob's got this tuned in pretty good.
You want to hear it?
We already heard it 7 times. Yeah, go ahead. Start that baby up. Let's check it out and see what's going on. It sounds like you got a gear-driven timing gears there instead of a chain.
It is. 380. It's a 383.
It's a 383 stroker job.
Brand new motor.
Yeah, what do you think of them stroker jobs, Randy?
They create really good horsepower and
Yeah.
torque.
But let me ask you this: don't you kind of have a problem with the 383 strokers that you got to fine-tune them all the time, set the timings? I mean,
Is he going to drive this? I thought
Probably
this
not.
was just the trailer queen.
Exactly.
No, I'm gonna drive it.
Okay, Bob. All right, we're gonna see about that.
I gotta find somebody who'll sit.
Oh,
sit in the
whoa!
passenger seat.
Now I know why you bought the record truck. Oh, I see. Hold on a minute here. Whoa, hold on, Randy. Now you know this guy's got a rat rod Hemi car, right?
Yeah, that's
Okay, hold on a minute. Hold on. I just figured this shit out. He bought this fucking truck because it's a 23-foot bed, right? He could put this car and his rat rod on there and go to the car show with both of them. That way he's got 2 chances to win a trophy instead of 1. And put the custom paint job on there. And now you're trying to get fucking best of the show, bud.
No trailer.
Got it.
Tow truck queen.
The tow truck queen. There you go, buddy. Shake a hand, make a friend, Randy. It's nice meeting you, bud.
Yes,
When are we
sir.
gonna go over to your shop?
Anytime you'd like.
Okay. Now, do you do work for other people or just word of mouth type guy or what?
Just word of mouth. I typically just have one customer I've been working for.
So one at a time, you mean?
Yeah, I'm very slow.
Yeah, but you get shit done.
I get it done.
Kind of like that wiring job.
Slow but efficient.
Okay.
Hey, let's go take a look at that 10 by 12 spot we got for Randy here.
He just dumped it. He just bumped it up 2 feet for you, dude. It was a 10 by 10.
I thought it was 60 by 30, but I don't know.
Oh, wait, 50 by 30.
Bitch, Randy.
Come on over here.
Gosh.
Come on.
Come on
over
go.
here.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Come on. God, Randy.
Yeah.
All right, what's up, bud? Where's his spot?
Right here.
Oh, so this is his spot right here?
Yeah.
You better take good care of Bob, dude. You're coming up to the UFC here, bud. You're gonna be part of the UFC gang.
Brand new concrete.
That's right, look at that. But you know what the kicker is? Before you work on that, you gotta stain that, you gotta shield it up for him.
I also got to pick up a couple things.
You gotta pick up some things, clean up your little spot here. So is this his spot right here, Bob?
Yeah.
All right, Randy, it looks like you got a friend here, dude. Don't ruin that friend relationship. Bob's a hell of a guy. I gotta go, bud. Talk to y'all later. Nice spot here. I wish I had it. I wish I was part of the UFC.
Yeah.
Ultimate Man Cave.
All you got to do
So
is
are you part of this? Are you part of the Ultimate Man Cave? Are you? Hold on, you got a shirt here. Hey, Bob, you need to get some. You need to get some stuff that says UFC. UFC certified. We'll see you later, guys. So there you go. Every time you turn around, you come up to Bob's place, and it looks like, you know, new shit's happening. Shaking hands, making friends, is getting to be a normal around here. And the people are just awesome, dude. What do we think of Randy's, 40-year-old restoration with the Hemi engine in it? I think it's pretty badass, and he did an awesome job. This is Pete over at SWRC, getting ready to move down to Moab, Utah, DIY Auto School. And if you're in this area, come by, shake a hand, make a friend, or get a hold of me. I'll tell you to get a hold of Bob so he can get a hold of you, and we can all be friends. Take it easy.